ratio proportion part 4. Okay, so we'll do some examples here. Divide rupees 60 in the ratio 1:2 between Kriti and Kiran. What you have to do here? Divide rupees 60 in the ratio 1:2 between Kriti and Kiran. What is the formula? Suppose if you want to find R1 and R2 means ratio 1, ratio 2. What is that? Is you have to divide rupees 60 in the ratio 1:2 between Kriti and Kiran. R1 is equal to R1 by R1 plus R2 into Y. R2 is equal to R2 by R1 plus R2 into Y, where Y is the quantity given. Okay. Share of Kriti is R1 divided by R1 plus R2, 1 divided by 1 plus 2, 1 by 3 into 60, 20 rupees. Share of Kiran, R2, 2 divided by R1 plus R2, 1 plus 2 into 60, 2 by 3 into 60, that is 40 rupees. R1 is 1, R2 is 2 and Y is equal to 60. Okay. So we'll do some exercise questions here. There are 20 girls and 15 boys in a class. How many girls are there? 20 girls and 15 boys in a class. Okay. So what is the ratio of number of girls to number of boys? Okay. Number of girls, how many girls are there? 20. Number of boys are 15. Total number of students 20 plus 15 is 35. Okay. Ratio of number of girls to number of boys 20 by 15 or 20 is to 15. So you are dividing both 20 and 15 by 5 because 5 is the HCF. Okay. To reduce fraction to simplest form, I taught in fractions chapter, same thing. You have to apply here. You have to 5 is the HCF. 20 by 5, 4, 15 by 5. I am dividing both numerator denominator by 5. Will get 4 by 3 or 4 by 3 can be written in ratio as 4:3. So what is the required ratio? 4:3. Next, what is the ratio of number of girls to the number of students in the class? Ratio of number of girls to number of students. Solution. Number of girls is 20. Number of students is 35. So 20 by 35 or 20:35 both are the same. Okay, now I am dividing both numerator denominator by 5. Why 5? Because 5 is the HCF of 20 and 35 to reduce fraction to simplest form. So we'll get 4 by 7. This 4 by 7 in fraction can be written in ratio as 4:7. So the required ratio is 4:7. Next question 2. Out of 30 students in a class, okay, how many students are there in a class? 30 students. 6 like football, 12 like cricket and remaining like tennis. There are 30 students in a class. So, how many like football? 6. How many like cricket? 12. Remaining like tennis. Find the ratio of number of students liking football to number of students liking tennis. So, what are the number of students in a class? 30. Number of students like football 6. Number of students liking cricket is 12. Number of students liking tennis 30 minus number of students football and cricket put together is 6 plus 12. 18. So number of students liking tennis is 30 minus 18 equal to 12. Okay. Ratio of number of students liking football to number of liking tennis. So 6 students like football, 12 students like tennis. 6 by 12 or 6:12. That will give you 1 by 2. I am dividing both numerator denominator by 6. Why 6? Because 6 is the HCF of 6 and 12. Reduce fraction to simplest form. I taught in fraction chapter. Same thing I have to apply here. So 1 by 2 can also be written as 1:2 using ratios. Fraction 1 by 2 can be written as 1:2. Therefore, required ratio is 1:2. Okay, next. Out of same question B, out of 30 students in class, 6 like football, 12 like cricket, remaining like tennis. Find the ratio of number of students liking cricket to total number of students. So number of students liking cricket is 12. Total number of students is 30. So I'll divide both numerator and denominator by 6. Why 6? Why not any other number? 5, 3, 4 like that. Why? Because 6 is the HCF of 12 and 30. Highest common factor. I taught in fractions chapter how to reduce fraction to simplest form. Remember? Okay. That is 2 by 5. 2 by 5 in fraction can be written using ratio as 2:5. Required ratio is 2:5. Question 3, exercise 12.1 maths. Question 3. See the figure and find the ratio of number of triangles to number of circles inside the rectangle. How many triangles are there? 3. Okay. How many circles are there? 2. Ratio of number of triangles to number of circles. So 3 by 2 or 3:2. 3 by 2 fraction can be written as in ratio as 3:2. Required ratio is 3:2. Question 3 continued. Number of squares to all figures inside the rectangle. Number of squares is 2. Number of figures is 7. Ratio of number of squares to number of figures 2 by 7 or 2:7. So fraction 2 by 7 can be written in ratio as 2:7. Required ratio is 2:7. Question C. Number of circles to all figures inside the rectangle. How many circles are there? 2. Number of all the figures 7. 2 by 7 in fraction or 2:7 using ratio. 2 by 7 fraction can be written as 2:7 using ratios. Required ratio is 2:7. Question 4. Exercise 12.1 Maths question 4. Distances travelled by Hamid and Akhtar in an hour are 9 km and 12 km. Find the ratio of speed of Hamid to speed of Akhtar. So what is the distance traveled by Hamid and Akhtar in hour? 9 km and 12 km. Hamid travels 9 km. Akhtar travels 12 km. Find the ratio of speed of Hamid to speed of Akhtar. So distance traveled by Hamid 9 km. Distance traveled by Akhtar 12 km. Speed of Hamid is 9 km per hour. Speed of Akhtar is 12 km per hour. Ratio of speed of Hamid to speed of Akhtar is speed of Hamid by speed of Akhtar 9 by 12. So we'll divide both numerator and denominator by 3. Why 3? I told you. Because 3 is the HCF of 9 and 12. So 3 by 4 we'll get. 3 by 4 fraction can be written in ratio as 3:4. Required ratio is 3:4. Okay children, we'll continue the next part in the next session.